still here in the house, but I am now really ready to go. It was good, I was just right on time. Nice. Yo, so we are now here in this hotel and it's beautiful. Look at that. It is now raining. I don't see any space for me to stop. Yeah, there's no covered area. Whoa, we're going to be wet. Up in the rain. Yeah, but you know this backpack, this time we're going to see if this one is really waterproof. Yeah, but still we are going to find a place where shaded space where there is no rain. I saw one on that side. Okay, we're going to stay here in this barbecue area. And this is the very first time that this bag gets wet this much. I hope it's not wet because I have my computer inside. Oh, look at that. They just leave it dirty. But anyway, every morning actually there is a person who clean the place, the toilet and this barbecue area. That guy is absent. I actually have here the rain cover of this pannier. I didn't use because I said, oh, let's see if this is really waterproof. And actually inside is dry. Yeah, so yeah, it is waterproof. Rain slowed down a little bit, but yeah, we'll stay here for a little bit more. Oh, I am tempted to run to that guy and ask him where did he buy that his cup. Yeah, that cup is good for cycling. So that cup basically protecting this one, you know. What is this in English? Okay, we are back here and I am wearing this rain trouser again still because yeah, it is going to be dry by the wind naturally. Oh, it's beautiful in here again. Yeah, we're going up to that mountain. I don't know if we can do that. Yeah, we made it, but I am thinking of the battery. At the moment I still have 38 kilometers capacity. Houses here are looking so much like a mansion. One person can't live in one big house like that. Will be scary, lonely. Oh, no throw road. It says no throw road in here. Yeah, really beautiful in here. There is one construction going on in there, over there. I will not use in there anymore. Instead, the right one is over there. Yeah. And this amazing view. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, that's where we came from a while ago, the cave beach. And it says that no throw road. Yeah, I saw somewhere there, but for sure there are some small passage. I'll have a look in the Google map. If I live here, I will have a cup of coffee in that balcony. Yeah, and every balcony I will have a cup of coffee while looking in this beautiful view. Okay, we go. Actually, I saw there is like a walking trail, so we're going to explore that. Houses here are real mansion. Oh, did end. end up here. Actually, there is this fire trail, but I am not sure. Maybe there is a staircase going up, you know. Yeah, so it means that it will be difficult for me to carry this bike. Yeah, here in Australia, a way like this is very common. You will see everywhere, especially in the bush. Yeah, some of them are bike passable, but since I am not sure, we are going back. I am not going to buy a house this big. Yeah, who is going to live in there? Yeah, this kind of house is good only for the family, Filipino family, because they usually stays together, even if they are older already with own family. People stays together, so big family, good to stay in a big house like that. But the Australians, the most Western people, usually when they get married, people separate to their parents. So yeah, the house will be useless. Wow, beautiful, huh? This is another uphill ride. Looks like the battery of my bike is going to finish soon. Yeah, and this is how it is. Very beautiful, but I am tired. Yeah. And now we are going to go up there. Actually, I can't drive it with the bike, but I'm going to save the battery, so we'll be just pushing this bike. And it's getting heavy and heavier. And now there is a staircase. And you know, this house, they really choose it to be in this area because they can see everything. Okay, this is how it is in here, but it says that roads ends on that side. Push again. So this is the residential highest part of this Cave Beach area. Yeah, from here you really see everything. Maybe that side is already the other city, another town. Oh, there is actually a road, but it says road ends here. So maybe this is just for the firefighter, so like a fire trail. We are not sure about it. I don't see people like around here so that I can ask. Okay, it's better to go back. Okay, it's better to go back. And we are now back here in the road. Yeah, this is the main road of this Cave Beach. Oh, look at this. There is one tunnel in here. I saw one guy. I said good morning. He said good day. Sounds good. Whoa. Whoa, 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 it's scary. Yeah, it's really scary. You don't see the floor. Yeah. Nice. That's scary nice. Actually, I need to stop here to find out the way. Basically, in top of the tunnel is the Pacific Highway, and it says that yeah, I need to go back to the roundabout to get up there, but no, we're going this way instead. This one is going to Macquarie Beach, and we are now here. Yeah, so I'm basically getting through the different residential areas. I mean residential streets, and according to the Google map, this is the old Pacific Highway. They are doing some improvements in that crossing, and yeah, this one is heading to Macquarie Beach. It's good that there is a way like this in this highway. They have this really nice looking roundabout. We're going to Macquarie Beach, because if we get through this, it means that we're going through the coastal area. But if we take the Pacific Highway, it's going to be inland. Oh, this is actually uphill. I get up here really pushing, because this yeah, this walkway, bikeway is uphill. But it's good, because you know the road here is just 2-lane. There is no wings, so it's good that they created this walkway separate from the road. I am now conditioned my battery to be run low very quick, so there is a possibility that I will be staying in one of the hotel here. I hope just caravan. Yeah, my goal is to use the tent, do camping. But I'm getting lazy. Looking at the map, this Macquarie Beach is like a secluded community. I noticed that this community is not even. Yeah, the houses is situated in the not flat land. Yeah, it's like in the hilly area and not even. Yeah, it means that yeah, if you live here, you need a car. By just walking around will make you really tired to go uphill, even in a short distance. Yeah, I can see now the water that side. Yeah, this is still a part of the Lake Macquarie. And in case you don't know, this Lake Macquarie is the biggest lake in the southern hemisphere. It is now 11:19, and I still have this cup of coffee. Okay, we explore this place. Oh, that's the main office of this Macquarie Beach. There is a restaurant in there, over there, and sales office. And at the moment there are two guys doing a little bit of construction, maybe lightings. Yeah, lightings. And there are two guys also fishing. The sun just shows, but now there is a sprinkler of water. Okay, we stay a little bit in this barbecue area. So the rain has keep on going. Actually, it's getting harder, and of course those two guys, they are going to be wet. And those three guys in the boat, yeah, the boat has a little cover, a little sailing, a little roof, but yeah, those can't protect those three people, so they are going to be wet. It's all right, they like it there. Okay, that's it. There is no more rain, and yeah, there's yeah, those people is still, but just there's a new couple, and I am now hungry, and we will keep on going. I hope there is a restaurant. Actually, there is a little bit of sprinkler of water. Look how beautiful are the houses in here. And it is raining again. Yeah, I need to wear this rain trouser and yeah, this rain jacket. Yo, there's no way. Oh, nice. There's actually it's very good. Oh, the rain now is very heavy. I don't know where I'm going to be covered up.